Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Oriental College of Nursing and Health Sciences, Main Jadawala Road, Faisalabad. Admissions are open. FSc Nursing is a great step for students who want to build a career in medical sciences and healthcare. It teaches important subjects to students like medical sciences, anatomy, physiology, and patient care. It helps students to gain both knowledge and physical skills. Nursing is not just a job, it's a respected way to serve the humanity. By choosing FSc Nursing, students open the door to many career paths and becoming a registered nurse, midwife, and healthcare technician, and moving toward advanced medical fields. With the growing demand for skilled high healthcare professionals around the world, FSc Nursing offers a safe and rewarding career. It also gives you the opportunity to make a real life difference in people's lives. Apply now and start your journey in healthcare with Oriental College Nursing and Health Sciences, Main Jadawala Road, Faisalabad.